Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abu Bakar. I'm a student of Rehana Lawal School, and today is my topic is how to build a new tomorrow. Today I want to talk about something very important: building a better future for yourself. Every person dreams about a good tomorrow, same dreams of success, but some dreams of happiness and other dreams of changing their lives completely. But many people wait for the perfect time to start that think success will not come automatically one day. The truth is simple. The better tomorrow is not a built by luck. It is built by the choice we make today. It's very every small decision shapes your future. If you want a strong future, you must start a preparation for it. The first step of building a new tomorrow is believing in yourself. Many people stop themselves before they even being that thing. I am not a smart enjoy. I don't know have enough money or other peoples are better than me. These negative thoughts become what that blocks success. But successful people are not always the most talented people. Often they are simple the people who refuse to give it. uh, confidence confidence does not mean believing you're perfect. It means believing your improve thoughts, efforts, and learning. The second step it is have a clear goal. Imagine traveling without knowing your destiny. You will feel lost like a work the same way. If you do not know what you want, it become difficult to move forward. Your goal does not need to be huge in the beginning. It can small, but maybe you want to improve your graded. Maybe you want to learning skill. Maybe you want to become a healthier, kinder or more disciplined. Small goal, creative movement, and movement create progress. Another important thing is learning new skills. The world change quickly. Technology, business, and job continue evolving every day. People who continue learning become a strong and more prepared for the future. Another important part of building new tomorrow is learning from future. Many people think future is mean the end. The future is actually part of a success. So every successful person has faced a rejection, makes and disappointment. A failed exam can teach better study habits. A field in business can teach important lesson about planning and patience. Failure become a powerful when you learn for it instead to give up. There is another things that stop people so from creating a better future. People fear failure, criticism, and certainly that worry too much about that what that will be things, but growth always requires courage. You cannot build a new future while starting inside your comfort zone forever. Sometimes you must try something valuable when in improving that life of other people too. Kindness, honesty, and helping your community create a respect and purpose in life. A good future is not only about a personal success, it is also about becoming a better human being. Remember that change take a time. A tree does not grow in one day. Success is built slowly throughout a patience, effort, and consistency. Some days will feel difficult. You may feel tired. You discouraged or confused, but every small step forward matters. Even slow progress is still progress.